Welcome to the Car Story News Center. Here is your weekly report. The new
Leggera
wheels for the 2018 Volkswagen GTI have been ceramic coated. A Car Story reporter was at the scene to watch me pick up the wheels from Elite Ceramic Coatings of Winter Garden, Florida. When we arrived, the owner had just finished the ceramic coating of a 2021 Toyota Supra. Let's roll the video. What's that, Maurice? Yes, Maurice. Those wheels do look shiny. Once the wheels were home, it was time to set a date with a local discount tire location to have the wheels installed on the 2018 GTI. The tires from the stock wheels were moved to the new wheels. We have video of all the installation process. Let's roll the video. what a difference a nice set of wheels can make on a car. Special thanks to everyone at Discount Tire. Great job, men. Keep up the good work. You can learn a thing or two from them, Maurice. Just saying. The semiconductor shortage of 2021 continues to punish automakers. This video, taken earlier this week, shows my local Ford dealership with very few new cars available. This area is usually packed with new cars, and now it is completely empty. I was told that the few vehicles shown here is all the new inventory they have left. A few Ford Escapes and some pickup trucks. Very sad to see. And this week's parking lot find is this McLaren 720S found out in front of a Five Guys burger establishment. Five Guys. Five Guys sounds pretty good right now, Maurice. Can we get someone to make a Five Guys run? Maurice? Maurice! That's it for this week's Car Story Weekly Report. Come back next week for more exciting and thought-provoking car story news. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. Both mean the same to the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment to share your thoughts with myself and others. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.